All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be going over the Saramonic Blink500 B2 Plus. Now, this is an all-in-one system, so you can pretty much record anything you want. Now, I chose this system right here. It has Type-C and iOS Lightning adapters as well. It comes with 3.5 TRS and TRRS, so that means you can link to phone and camera, and it's compatible with most devices. So I'm going to go ahead and let you look at this and pause it. Obviously, I've been using it. I'm ready to give you a sample of how it sounds. So I'll switch over to my iPhone in just a second, but it just plugs right in, no ifs, ands, or buts. And I'm going to show you the settings and everything before I give you that actual sample. But you've got noise canceling, real-time monitoring, low cut filter, up to 22 hours, and 150 meters of wireless range. You can pause this if you want to look at it. When you compare it to the likes of other wireless setups like this, there's a lot that it's pretty much matching. So you've got, this has 80 decibels, it's 2.4 gigahertz, like I said. It's a 6mm condenser microphone, so it's just like the Rode mic and the Larks mic, and DJI uses a silicone mic, so they're using their own system, but it does have the metal clippings, metal backs. You can clip it to your clothes or clip it onto your clothing, or you can clip it right and slide it right into your hot shoe on your camera, because this can link that way as well. You've got the transmitter is 20 hours and the receiver is 16 hours. That's a lot. So transmitter, receiver, I'll show you that in just a second. And these are pretty much just like every other microphone that's out there, that's wireless. It has 48 kilohertz and 24-bit sampling rate. So that's pretty good. So let me show you everything that comes in the box here. So you get 2 wind filters, and the wind filters snap onto the microphones. I will show you that in just a second here. And then you've got your regular input cable, and then here's your TRRS right here, because it's the one with the 3 lines on it, and then you got the 2 lines. So this is the fact that they give you this, folks. This is an expense. These cables are expensive if you purchased them before separately. And then you've got your Type-C to Type-A, and then it gives you a nice carrying pouch here. So this is really, really nice. Now let me show you the actual setup. All right, guys, welcome back to the second part of this video. And this is the sound quality coming from the microphone. So I've learned a lot after testing these microphones for quite some time. I've had these for probably over a month or so, almost a month and a half probably. And I've used it definitely on my car channel, and I've used it on this channel as well. And you guys had no break in the quality of my audio. You probably thought it was my more high-powered 192 kilohertz microphone, but it was actually this 48 kilohertz microphone. And I wanted to keep it that way to see if anyone would notice and say, hey, Jay, are you using a different microphone? So yeah, no, this is the setup here. And this microphone setup from Saramonic is on another level. Having the combination kit that you can go with, if you're a person who have older devices from Apple, or you have the newer iPhone, or you have tons of Type-C devices, you can choose how you want to purchase. But I think that this speaking of just quality of the product, this is a good microphone set, and it competes directly with DJI, because DJI kind of they don't run the scene, but their latest products are really, really sweet. So it's just a matter of personal preference. If you want to save a ton of money and go with a setup just the same as the DJI setup, or you want to stay with a brand. So having purchased them all, DJI that is, this is definitely top notch and high quality for what you could possibly get. I'm going to step outside and put the wind filter on, because it does come with a wind filter. And let's clip this. I was kind of doing this real time here for you so you can see. This is the wind filter, because it's really windy outside. Let's see if I can get it on there. Uh-oh, bifocals time, bifocals. It's really windy outside. It's always windy where I live. So there you go, mic's on. And now we're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna do another vlog outside, and I'll take the microphones off of the phone, and then I'll just show you how it is outside. Let's see how the phone can handle the wind and how this handles the wind as well. So let's switch to outside without the microphone, and then I'll show you what this sounds like out there in the wind. Now, as stated, as always, it's really windy out here, and I have the microphone off. Here's the receiver, and here's the transmitter right here. And this is coming directly from the phone, so I don't know if you can tell definitely how windy it is out here, but the phone might be having a doing pretty good at keeping off some of the wind. But now let's put the microphone setup on and let's show you how this sounds with this particular setup. All right, now here's the microphone on with the wind filter. This is what it's going to sound like if you decide to use this out on a windy day like this. And I'll tell you, it's really windy out here. So if this is your thing, if vlogging is your thing, you need an external microphone setup, yeah, this is going to be one that you'll probably want to invest in and save some money. That wind just really kicked up. So tell me how that sounds with the wind blowing. It's such a heavy, heavy blow. But anyway, let's get back inside and give you a final thoughts on this thing. So this all-in-one system from Saramonic is actually really solid. The audio quality is great. With some fine tuning and tweaking and using this for a vlog, it's definitely going to work outside on windy days. You could hear the difference when using the iPhone's microphones versus using this setup. The wind filters work really nice. And I want to show you once again here. It just kind of clips in like that. I like that it just clips in, because on the old microphones from DJI, it was a twist in. The new microphones from DJI, it is a snap on through the headphone area there, and this kind of snaps all the way over it. So this is actually a beautiful compact setup, about the size of most microphones. And I think this will be a great way to vlog outdoors, because I do a lot of things with the car channel. And I have to make sure that I have no wind, and it's pretty tough when it's very windy out there. So real quick before I get out of here, again, this is the power button here, and this is the noise reduction button, and this is a Type-C cable there where you can charge or get the data through here. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. And shout out to Saramonic for supplying this microphone setup here. That's going to be a great use to the channel. See you in the next video.